Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. Today, as in my last video, some of you requested for a detailed video on line art. I'm going to show you step-wise how you can improve your line art in your anime drawings. For this, I'm using a reference picture of Tanjiro Komodo from Demon Slayer. You will find the link of the reference picture in the description. First of all, we have to go on all over the pencil lines we had drawn previously. Once we are done with that, we will add thick and thin lines in the art piece for making the line art look great. The first step is to go slowly over the pencil lines you draw and very patiently. You can rotate your page or sketchbook for your natural hand movement. This tip helps a lot while you are fine lining a subject like this, which have various angles and various elements. I also want to add one point in the first step, that you can use a ruler, compass or any other tool which you have for making your line art correct. For example, if you have to draw a straight line, you can use a ruler. Don't feel shame in this, because these small steps make your art piece look good. The first step is done, guys. Now the second step is to thick the lines where they are in the reference image. For example, at the eyes, at the veins and at some areas on his forehead. The second step is also done, guys. Now the last step which we are going to do in this is hatching. Hatching is a technique in which we use thin or thick lines for showing that there is depth or dark values at a particular area. For example, in this, the hatching starts from here and ends here. I have to use a ruler for hatching because it gives you straight lines, which makes a greater impact than wiggly lines in hatching. Third step is also done, guys. Now let's take a look from the first step to the final step. First, we just draw the lines all over the pencil lines which we draw according to our reference. Then we thicken the lines also according to our reference, and at the last we add hatching also according to our reference. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe my channel.